First semester, final exam, review, page 11. What type of quadrilateral has two pairs of parallel sides? And that would happen to be a parallelogram. Give the name of the best description of a parallelogram and find the measures of the numbered angles. Okay, so if you take a look, you see that all of the sides are congruent to one another. And the way that it's shaped, I would have to say that it's a rhombus. All right, so when I looked at this is supposed to be 120 degrees. So if this is 120 and there's 180 degrees, that leaves you with 60 degrees. Again, because this is an isosceles triangle, both of these angles cannot equal 60 degrees. So you got to remember to divide by 2. So that means both angles then are 30 degrees. And in a rhombus, one side looks exactly like the other side. So that means angle 1 and angle 4 are 30 degrees also. And this is 120. So angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4 all are 30 degrees. Find the value. Okay, so this is another parallelogram. This is a parallelogram, not a rhombus now. So that means parallel sides. So if this is 110, but opposite angles in one another are equal to one another. So angle Z is equal to 110. Also, because these are parallel lines cut by transversal, then alternate interior angles are congruent. So angle X is equal to 29 degrees because this angle is equal to that, alternate interior angles. And then I can add these two together and subtract from 180 to find out what Y is. So if I take 110 and add the 29 to it, that gives me 139. So I take 180, subtract 139. That gives me 41. So angle Y is equal to 41 degrees. Next one. If ON is 7x minus 4 and LM is 6x plus 9, NM is ZX minus 9, and OY is 3y minus 5. All right, so I can set this equation, 7x minus 4 equals 6x plus 9, because they're opposite one another, so the sides are equal to one another in a parallelogram. The sides opposite one another. So I'm going to subtract the smaller x, minus 6x. That's gone. This leaves me with x minus 4 equals 9. It says subtract 4, so I'm going to add 4. My goal again is to get my x's on one side, my numbers on the other. So I get x then equals 13. So x is 13. Come back, substitute it in. So 13 minus 9 is going to give me 4. So this side is 4. You got to find the length of all the sides. So if this side is 4, then this is going to equal 3y minus 5. 3y minus 5 equals 4. So I'm going to add 5 to both sides. Again, 3y is equal to 9, so y equals 3. So this side is 4. Substitute it back in. 6 times 13 plus 9. So that's going to give me 87. So ON is 87. NM is 4. LM is 87. And OL is 4.